Hello guys, back again. Get to the point of knife sharpening. Today we're going to sharpen a victorinox 210mm, but we're going to use the one stone. It's the chosera 3000, and we're going to see what results we can just get off the one stone, because everyone says this stone you can do everything on the one stone. So today we will have a go at just doing everything on the one stone. But first we're going to flatten it. I don't flatten my stones too often, but today we're going to flatten this one because I haven't flattened it in a while. As you can see, this you can't now, the sign's still there, the logo. Right, let's flatten it. But they are a pretty hard stone, guys, so they do stay flat, especially if you neutralise all your stones. And this is the Atoma plate 400, what I flattened with. You can get the 140, but I find that a bit too aggressive on your stones, and the amount of abrasive it takes off. Sit that over there out of the way. Right, let's go guys. Let's see how long it takes us. They reckon this stone you can do it all, so a couple of long strokes. As you can see, it moves plenty of material, but not much comes off the stone. But what I like about this stone, guys, it is a pretty hard stone, but it really doesn't load up. And we've got a full length working burr. So let's get on the other side and go for that. And as I said, guys, always push away from you, never into your hand. Couple of long ones. We've already, guys, got a full burr on that side, 2 passes. So I think today this is going to be a short video. Right, let's deburr. What gorgeous weather we're having in the UK at the moment. What's the weather like where you're at around the world? If anyone would like to let me know, make a comment, would be nice. And I'll drop down 2 each time, guys. You can do it any way you like. If anyone would like to leave any comments down below, what they'd like to see me try and do, or if they've got anything they'd like to ask me, it would be nice to hear from yous. And as I say, I know I'll keep saying it, but if you'd like to give me some thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel, it would be nice. That goes a long way, guys, of helping me out with this channel. As I say, I've only just started and it's not cheap buying these stones, so the more likes and thumbs up I get from you, more chance I stand of getting companies to, I'm pitching the burr off now, lads, edge leading strokes. The more chance I will get the companies to ask me to use their stones or knives on my channel. But I say, around the world where you're at, when I reach 250 subscribers, I will give away, I'm not quite sure yet whether it'll be a knife, sink bridge or a stone. But it would be nice if you just hit that notification button and subscribe button. And anyone to leave me any comments would be nice. That's pretty sharp, guys. And as I say, when you're deburring, just all you got to do, lighten up as you go, and in the end, just let your hand do the guide. So it holds your knife steady. You don't have to but I think we've cracked it, guys. I think that I think it's basically removed. Let's dry the knife off. Let's see what we got without the strop. That's without the strop. That's without the strop, guys. But I believe this is one of the goodest stones you'll ever get to work on. Tactile feel and the feedback you get from that stone, really second to none. I am trying to get some diamond plate stones, or electrified ones, what you can use the water on. But as I say, at the moment, guys, they're just a little bit expensive. Your roster razor just to clean. There's nothing really on the stone, guys. I'm just cleaning my stone so they don't dry on it. Sit that over there. Draw my hands off. I'll get some paper towel, guys. There we are. We'll see if this paper towel sharp. As you can see, that's even without the strop. Wow. We've just got a normal strop at the minute, guys. Just a suede side. An ink on the strop. But that stone, guys, I know it's been around for a while. And now they're called Nanny Professionals. They're a bit smaller. You can only get them with that base from Japan. Because they've lightened the stone up a bit, they've made it smaller and a bit more expensive. But it's second to none, guys. There you go. Let's give it one that way. Look at that. Well, let's try it with the 2 micron. It's my neighbour next door, probably the postman with their dog. I'll say this is 2 micron, guys, on that strop. I'll just give it a try out. Look at that. If I could hold it properly, I'd probably took it all the way down, but I don't want to cut my hand. I would say, guys, oh, that's razored. That stone would be your one stop. Because I reckon that stone is that good. Let's try a push cut. Not a problem, it's like butter. It's like butter, guys. Honestly, that is like butter. As I said, I know they're a bit more expensive with at base, and that they are a bit expensive stone, but if you've just got it at home and you're sharpening here and there on it, I reckon it's a good 10 to 15 years, if not more, in that stone. So, and it leaves you, I don't know if you can see that. You can see the polish it leaves you, look. So it do give you a good polish on your knife. And it leaves you with a good toothy edge as well. A really nice edge. So there you go guys, that's the Victorinox 210mm. Culinary chefs love these because of the weight and how long the edge lasts really. And if anyone, as I said, like to see me try anything out or got any comments, any questions they'd like to ask, it would be nice to hear from you. I'm still trying to grow this channel, so it would be nice to hear from you and give me some thumbs up and likes. And as I say, it's not cheap. Everything you see is bought with my own money. I'm under no obligation to say anything about any product, because it's all bought with my own money. So I'll make that clear. And as I say, if any young chefs out there, culinary chefs who's starting up, or anyone like their knife to be sharpened, if you'd like to leave me a comment, remarks underneath, I can get back to you. But as I said guys, I'm getting plenty of viewers, but no one's just really hitting that subscribe and like button and sharing it. It would be nice. And I'll catch you next time on my next video. Catch you later, guys.